everybody, my name is Tuệ Lâm. I'm from class Kuka. Today I'm talking about my room. This is my room. I have a bed. My bed is pink. It has blanket and pillows on it. This is a clothes dryer. It's purple and it has many layers. And when it's winter, my family's clothes isn't dry, so we put our clothes in it. Then we put a button. Then it works. When it finishes, my family's clothes is dry. This is my desk. It has printers. It has teddy bear. I have a computer and a lamp. This is my book to study, and this too. I have many books from my desk. I put very neatly. I have many pens too and pencils. My desk is pink and white. I have a chair to sit and study. My desk has a globe. When I study the globe, I study many countries. This is a closet. I put clothes in my closet, and there are many clothes in my closet. It has swimmer suit on this closet. It has uniform on this closet. It has the winter coats and the clothes that are warm in winter on it. And this is my closet. It has many clothes, but it's still winter, so I still wear warm clothes. This is my sister's closet. It had many clothes from my sister's closet. It's same of mine. And I have a little desk here, and it's brown. I put things like my mom's bag, papers, and books that I read at night. From when I go to sleep, before I go to sleep, I read this book. And my books have many colors, and I learned this book from science, words, and sentences. And I have a board. When I have words that I don't know, I will write in it, and I will write the new word, and so that way I will remember. I have a air conditioner. It's on the ceiling and is above the curtain, and it gives air from the summer to give me to be cool, because in summer it is hot. My air conditioner is white. It has many letters and numbers. And this is my curtain. It has flowers, but flowers is yellow, and my curtain is yellow too. And when it's nighttime, I go to sleep. I will push. When the curtain like this, I will push like this. I have all the pictures that I paint all myself from I have an art class. I paint rabbit in the moon, bear that outside that is very cold in winter. I don't know what this is called. A fish, clownfish, and me. This is all of my paper that I get from my school. I have all. Look, this is the math one. I got midterm test, and I got this one. I got brown. And this is the same, but it just put the T-O and it gives the A and A. And this is S. I have bronze too. And I have the second because I have the right from beautiful words and sentences. And that is the end of our room, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.